Hi guys, I don't know if you can see me, so I'm going to scoot it back more. But hi guys, welcome back to Slime with Nylasia, her sister Blue, and Nylea. We have some chips right here. I'm going to try one. So yummy.
Welcome back to Nylea. So cool.
Don't listen to her. This is a slime.
I got an apple in my hand.
That's an orange. That's an orange, you guys. Don't listen to it. That's an orange.
Delicious.
And this is butter slime, you guys. Look at
Delicious.
You're not the boss. It's my video. Butter slime.
Butter slime.
And I'm going to just like roll my slime up.
We have butter slime.
Wait. Okay. Let's get into the video.
Yeah. Because my sister made it.
At RSP at school, we make slime. R is for respect and responsible. S is for slime making. And P is for patient. Being patient when you do everything. You guys, just listen to this popping sound. Wait.
Pop, 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 pop.
Don't listen to her. I might be putting some music on in this too. So let's listen to the popping sound. Well, that was like one pop, you guys. One pop. One little pop. Okay, I'm going to be transforming it.